Hey guys, my name's 8th Son. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use audio clips in FL Studio. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is load up the project from the previous video. So let's go over to the File tab right here and open up the project called Song 1. So let's left click and open it up. And now you can see FL Studio still has both patterns from the previous video saved in the project file. So in this video, we're going to learn about audio clips. All of your audio is contained in the browser. So let's find an audio sample that we want to use.
Okay.
Alright, so let's use this sample of the girl saying okay. So, how do we drag that audio sample into the playlist? Well, all you gotta do is left click, hold it, and drag it into the playlist, like so. And now you can see once we've dragged an audio sample into the playlist, a new audio clip has been created in the picker panel. So let's hear how that sounds in combination with the patterns that we've created in the previous video.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So, how do you stretch this audio out to be long, right?
Okay.
This audio is very short, but we want it to sound something like okay, right? So what you do is you enable the stretch option and you hover over the edge of your audio clip. Then you left click and drag the audio clip to the right. Now when we hit play, you can hear the audio clip is longer, but the pitch has been turned way down. So what we're going to do is double click our audio clip, go into the audio clip settings, and we're going to right click this pitch knob and hit reset. Now when we hit play, we should hear the stretched vocal at its original pitch. So let's hit play. Cool. So you just learned how to use the time stretch knob here and the pitch knob here in your audio clips settings. So let's say we want the audio clip to be exactly half as fast. Well, that's what this knob is for. So once we have the audio clip stretched, what we're going to do is drag this knob all the way down to 50%. And you can see as I drag it, the percentage goes down. And we want it at 50%. Bam. Now let's hit play.
Okay.
Cool. So let's say we want the audio clip to be 200%, twice as long. We're going to drag it up. Now the audio clip is 200% as long. We want to see the full length of it, so we hover over this black bar. We pull our mouse wheel down, and now we can zoom out. And now you see it's twice as long. This is the original, and this is twice as long. Okay, you don't need to hear the whole thing. You get the idea. Alright, so let's bring this knob back to 100% so that the audio clip is playing for only 4 bars. Alright, cool. So now I'm going to show you these other options in the audio clips settings. So this option right here reverses the audio. Which is very useful. And you have your in, which is faded the audio in. And your audio out. So this just fades it out. Right. So these knobs up here are your panning. If you drag this to the left, you can hear it only played on your left ear. And if you drag it to the right, you can only hear it on your right ear. Okay, cool. Now if you drag this volume knob down, you can hear it makes the audio quieter. And if you turn this pitch knob down, it doesn't do anything because remember, we set the pitch to be reset. So in order to affect the pitch here, instead of here, we have to right click the time knob in order to turn off time stretching. And now this pitch knob is activated. Right? So let's bring the range up so it goes way down.
Okay.
And you can see we can affect the pitch here. Alright, cool. So you just learned how to use all the basic options in your audio clips settings. Cool. So let's stretch this out again. And we want it to be exactly 4 bars. So let's hit Alt, hold that, left click, and drag the edge of it, right? Until it's exactly 4 bars. Now we can let go of Alt, and we see the audio clip is exactly 4 bars long. Alright, so in the first video, you guys learned about patterns. In the second video, you learned how to use audio clips. And now in the third video, you'll learn how to use automation clips. Before you move to the next tutorial, I want you to go to File and save your project. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.